There is a material that has fascinated human beings since the very first moment they pulled it from the earth and held it up to the light. A material so perfectly ordered at the molecular level that it bends, scatters, and multiplies light in ways that seem almost impossible. Almost supernatural, almost as though the stone itself is generating the lighter rather than simply reflecting it. Ancient civilization believed it was ice, so deeply frozen that it could never melt. Medieval scholars believed it carried the power of the stars. Healers across dozens of cultures and centuries believed it could channel energy, clear the mind, and connect the wearer to something larger than themselves. Scientists today know that its internal structure, a perfectly repeating three-dimensional lattice of atoms arranged with a geometric precision that no human hand could ever replicate, is the one of the most extraordinary natural phenomenon on Earth. And jewelry designers know something simpler, something more immediate, and something equally true that the bracelet made from crystal beads is one of the most breathtaking, most luminous, and most alive pieces of jewelry. Welcome back to BP Shine, where we go deeper down, beautiful, and into extraordinary jewelry designs. Today, we are telling the complete, full story of crystal beaded bracelet design from the ancient geological forces that create crystal deep within the earth through the rich human history of crystal in jewelry and culture. So let's get started. Most people use the word crystal loosely as a general term for any clear or sparkling stone. But in its precise scientific meaning, crystal refers to something specific and remarkable. A solid material whose atoms are arranged in a perfectly repeating three-dimensional geometric pattern called a crystal lattice. This internal order, this atomic regularity that extends from one end of the stone to the other without interruption, is what gives crystal its extraordinary optical properties, its characteristic geometric external forms, and its unique physical behaviors that set it apart from every other material in the natural world. The human relationship with crystal is one of the oldest, deepest, and most universal in the entire history of material culture. Clear quartz crystal beads have been found in archaeological sites across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas dating back thousands of years. Evidence that wherever human beings encountered this extraordinary material, they immediately recognized it as something special, something worth keeping, something worth wearing. To truly understand why crystal beaded bracelets are so visually extraordinary, why they seem to glow, to sparkle, to multiply light in ways that feel almost magical, you need to understand a little bit of the physics of how light behaves when it enters a crystalline material. Because what crystal does with light is genuinely one of the most remarkable optical phenomena in the natural world. When light enters a crystal bead, it slows down. The slowing effect, described by the optical property called refractive index, causes the light ray to bend, a phenomenon called refraction. Different wavelengths of light bend at slightly different angles, which means that white light entering a crystal is separated into its component colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The full visible spectrum spread apart by the crystal's internal structure. This separation of white light into spectral colors is called dispersion, and it is responsible for the window rainbow flashes, what gemologists call fire, that appear inside crystal beads when light hits them at the right angle. The higher the refractive index and dispersion of a crystal, the more dramatic this fire effect becomes. One of the greatest players of working with crystal beads in jewelry design is the extraordinary range of visual personalities that different crystal varieties bring to a piece. It includes clear rock crystal, amethyst crystal, citrine crystal, some kind of turquoise, labradorite, and many more. What makes crystal beads so extraordinary as a jewelry material, beyond their optical beauty and their geological story, is their complete aesthetic versatility. No other bead material crosses design boundaries as effortlessly or as conveniently as crystal. It belongs equally in the most refined fine jewelry context and the most free spirited bohemian design. It speaks the language of ancient spiritual traditions and the language of cutting edge contemporary fashion simultaneously. And it does this not by being neutral or characterless, but by being so fundamentally, essentially beautiful that beauty of that quality transcends aesthetic category entirely. In the world of fine jewelry design, crystal beads, particularly high grade amethyst, aquamarine, and clear quartz, are set alongside diamonds and precious metals in pieces of genuine luxury. What I hope you carry away from today is something that goes beyond design inspiration. So I hope you found plenty of that too. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe the channel VP Shine and share your amazing thoughts in comment section. Stay connected with me. Enjoy your life.